Docker just launched a game-changing update and is going to revolutionize AI deployment. Whether you're a DevOps engineer, AI enthusiast, or a software developer, this new feature will save you hours of setup time and make AI workflows smoother than ever. So what's this new big update? Docker has introduced the AI catalog, a dedicated section in Docker Hub filled with pre-configured AI models and tools. This means that you can now pull AI-powered containers in seconds, skip manual dependency management, and run AI workflows directly in Docker Desktop. Before this update, setting up an AI deployment environment meant manually installing dependencies, configuring GPUs, and troubleshooting package conflicts. But now, one command and you're ready to go. But how does this help in real-world DevOps and AI development? Here are 3 powerful ways this update changes the game. Imagine you need to deploy a machine learning model in production. Before, you have to manually set up Python environments, install TensorFlow, and configure dependencies. Now, with Docker's AI catalog, you can spin up an AI model in seconds. For DevOps teams, automation is everything. With this update, you can now integrate AI-powered services in CI/CD pipelines effortlessly. No more struggling with dependency mismatches. Monitoring and scaling AI workloads in production just got easier. Docker now makes it simple to containerize AI-driven observability tools, anomaly detection models, and automated issue resolution systems. This isn't just a minor update. Docker is pushing AI into mainstream DevOps workflows. Companies are scaling AI infrastructure, and Docker is making it easier than ever to containerize and deploy AI workloads without extra step. AI adoption in DevOps is skyrocketing. A recent report shows that over 75% of companies are now integrating AI into their DevOps workflows. If you're already using Docker, this update is a must-use feature. And if you're new to Docker, this is a perfect time to start. Whether you're running machine learning models, automating cloud infrastructure, or building AI-powered services, Docker AI Catalog makes it 10 times easier. By the way, if you want to master Docker, Kubernetes, and other cloud topics, check out my full course link below. This update is massive, and I'll be diving into Docker AI Catalog in upcoming videos. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how would you use AI in Docker? Let's discuss in the comments below. Do you think AI will take over DevOps?